asunto-osakeyhtiö Pääsky.
Yeah, so it's another nice way to today. This is on Pääskylänrinne 10, så jag säga smartbobringen. Let's put the LED 1954, this number is 30673. Så vi ser den här Sörnäs Helsinki och som är Finland, det kan precis 3 purchase of the appointments.
Eteenpäin liftistuutten, me eteenpäin pääkaupunkiseuran hissikeskus.
Nice that it has a light on the, but should that be the yellow LED or light bulbs?
Yeah.
Now that it has memory also.
Yeah. Although
it is needless.
Yeah.
This is not that necessary.
Yeah.
Especially for just 5 floors.
Yeah.
And I have feel as you can see before here, it's only B left.
Yeah. That's